Designing an outdoor lighting plan can be overwhelming. Luckily, the top deck lighting manufacturers have streamlined the process to create user-friendly lighting systems that take the guesswork out of installation. Dekor Deck Lighting created their plug-and-play setup to allow DIY installation no matter the layout. Each of their lights have a 6-inch pigtail ending with a female plug connection. Plug this end into a T-splitter or quick connect hub to continue your lighting run. Or, if lengthening your cord is necessary, a splice connector and quick connect extension cable can help you do just that. Fill up all the terminals on your quick connect 6-way hub but still have more lights to connect? Simply run a quick connect extension cable from one hub to another and continue adding your lights. The LMT Mercer Group also conceived a wiring system with consumers in mind with their no-hassle harnesses and splitters. All of their light fixtures come with an 8 to 10-inch pigtail ending with a female plug connection. From here, link a low-voltage LED harness followed by a 2-way or 5-way splitter to continue your lighting run. Use every port in the splitter but still have more lights to connect? Connect another low-voltage LED harness to one of the terminals, then apply another splitter of the size you need. To ensure you're getting a fully weatherproof connection, firmly press the connectors together for a secure fit. Any unused outputs on splitters should be closed up using either the included caps or weather-resistant silicone. Splitters and quick connect hubs can be easily mounted and hidden within the deck framing, while harnesses and cables can be run underneath the deck or inside the posts and rails for a polished look. We recommend having the lights on and powered during installation to make sure there aren't any issues. Quick and painless, these plug-and-play wiring systems take the struggle and worry out of brightening your space. Skip the electrician and do it yourself with plug-and-play wiring from DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Jamie and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. Feel free to call us with any questions about this video or any other deck questions you might have. We're always helping people build better decks.